MF Travels presents our Cabo, Mexico Spring Break 2025 getaway. First things first, gotta have the pina colada. Just arrived in Mexico. We'll do a room tour. We're at Villa 6403. Let's go check out our crib. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Check it out, check it out, check it out. This says hi. This is first. Check out the full room tour on our YouTube channel or on the description below. We have everything here.
Red chocolate ball.
Oh yeah.
Chocolate covered strawberries that are red.
Strawberries in there.
Hearts. And yeah. Okay, let's go.
Happy anniversary to us. All right. Check out this bathtub. And here's more photos of the crib. Spring break and anniversary celebration. Cabo Azul is indeed a beachfront property. We at Cabo Azul. Cabo. Oh, 360 of Cabo Azul. Oh, Cabo Azul. And as you can tell, I have a hiccup. I'm growing. So this is Cabo Azul. 360 of the resort. Hi. Now it's dinner time at Javier's. Eating now at Javier's. Oh, meron na. Yummy Mexican food. Yeah. That's the dinner for today. Javier's. We ate at Javier's. Check this out. What an entrance. The water is actually on fire. What a gorgeous night. Off to La Paz the next day. This place right here is called Balandra. We are here at Balandra. Check out this view of the whole place. That's the reason why we came back here. Is because of this place right here. Super amazing place. Check it out. Check it out. Cool. Couldn't get enough of this place, so we took a lot of pictures. Balandra is La Paz's signature beach, embodying serenity and relaxation. This reserve is located in the Baja California Peninsula, 23 kilometers south from La Paz. It is magical for its turquoise color and crystalline appearance, which is due to its low depth and calm waves. The incredible thing about this beach is that you can advance hundreds of meters touching the sand and the water does not rise above your hips. Many travelers visit it for the famous Balandra mushroom. This place was really amazing and we did take a lot of pictures. So whoever's watching, it's a must visit. I'm here at La Balandra. Check it out. Check it out. That's the mushroom over there. Cool. Yeah. Rubber duckies. And this is why we're here, is because of this place. The place is called Balandra. About a couple hours away from Cabo. Yeah. Go. How cool this place is. Balandra. Balandra.
Have you returned the thingy from
Look at this place, man. It's an amazing place. Like Cabo. There's many activities that you can actually do here. You can ride a kayak or paddleboard. You can go hiking like what we're doing right now. You can snorkel. And you could just simply enjoy relaxation. And if you're wondering if this hike was hard, not at all. It took us literally 10 minutes to get up to the top to see this magnificent view. I wish I could have flown my drone here, but unfortunately, it's a very protected area by Mexico. La Paz enjoys pleasant weather year-round, but the best time to visit Balandra Bay is during the winter months when the water is cooler. That's a mushroom. The summer months are generally hot, with temperatures averaging 77 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit, while the winter temperatures average a more pleasant 65 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see on the surroundings, La Paz is a desert and receives very little rain, making it an ideal destination for beach lovers. However, it does tend to rain from July to September. Oh, and before I forget, as a way to preserve its natural beauty for generations to come, Balandra Bay has a capacity limit of 450 visitors per day only. And another thing that I need you to inform about is that there are only 2 entry time slots. The morning slot is at 8 a.m. and the afternoon slot is at 1 p.m. So visitors can choose to enter during either time slot or both if you'd like, but it's essential to arrive early to secure a spot. Now, if you're driving your rental car, you will see the line of cars start forming at the entry gates about 30 to 60 minutes before each time slot opens. Right there. Nice. It's nice too. Very nice. A must. On to the next one and to the next stop. This place is called Playa Coromuel. Again, this is us taking a lot of pictures. You gotta capture the memories, right? This is Playa Coromuel. And we're having smoothies. It's pretty cool. Yup, and those smoothies were pretty good. There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. Playa El Coromuel is a beautiful and well-maintained public beach located in close proximity to the city of La Paz in Baja California Sur, Mexico. Hi, video. It's a video. Say hi. The beach is known for its warm, calm, and clear waters, making it a suitable destination for swimming, particularly for families with children. Or you can just simply stroll around like us. We're about to get lunch. This is on Albaro. Alright. This is street view. Kayla. This is La Paz. Hasta frío. Just kidding. This is
Let's enroll for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, then we have a baby oyster, something even smaller than this. Una vez entonces se convirtió.
This right here is Dowtown La Paz. We are eating ice cream here at La Paz.
We have like 10 more minutes until we have to go back.
Pretty good. I have guanabana. Woo! So good. Living it up in the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. This is Todos Santos Hotel California. What is that over there? California. This is where the mission is. The mission. The next day, we headed over to Medano Beach. Back at Medano Beach. Okay, we're back at Medano Beach. Beach at Hungry Shark.
I wish we came in December.
Water's a little cold.
A little.
Well, yeah, but it's cool. You get used to it. Hi!
It's a video.
Back at Medano Beach.
I'm disappointed.
Look at all these people though. Somebody got stung with a jellyfish. Jellyfish sting.
Don't go too far.
Cabo Azul. It's where we checked in. This is what it looks like. Cabo Azul. So this is what it looks like. Say hi. Risotto, lobster and shrimp. Surf and turf. And this one's all gone. This is our crab. Go cut it. Cabo Azul at night. Very nice property. Right across is a complex of food and shopping. Bistro, French and Italian. Well folks, that was our last night and I hope you enjoyed our adventure. Book your vacay with me, MF Travels. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.